Now we have a problem 8.31 of chapter 8. 31 problem is a circuit with a current source and a DC voltage source and with an inductor of 0.5 Henry and a capacitor of 1 Farad. Two resistors 40 ohm and 10 ohm are connected. In the circuit, we have to find VL, voltage across inductor, and VC, voltage across capacitor. So the solution of this circuit is following. For t is equal to 0 negative, we have the equivalent, circuit in figure following. Which will be drawn on the next. For t is equal to 0 plus the equivalent circuit is shown in figure B, which is following, means which will be drawn on the next. By using KVL, V into 0 plus is equal to V 0 negatively minus is equal to 40, and I means current into 0 plus is equal to I into 0 minus is equal to 1. Now by using KCL, the equation is 2 is equal to I into 0 plus I1, which leads to I1 is equal to 1. Now again by KVL, negative VL plus 40I1 plus V into 0 plus is equal to 0, which leads to VL 0 plus is equal to 40 into 1 plus 40, which is equal to 80. So VL 0 plus is equal to 80 volt and VC, voltage across capacitor, is also 40 volt. So the modified circuits A and B will be drawn here. The modified circuit A, a resistor with 40 ohm and a second resistor with 10 ohm, and here is the plus terminal and here is the minus terminal of voltage. This is I, means current, and this is the DC source. Here is plus and here is minus. This is for A. For B, we will draw a circuit from B here. This is a ground source and here is the resistor, but before resistor we connect an inductor. After resistor there is capacitor. which is connected with the inductor. Here is another resistor, and at the end a source which is DC is connected to all. Okay, now we're going to mention the circuit. 40-volt resistor. Here is the current in the direction of this resistor. Here is 10 ohm resistor, and voltage across inductor is VL. This is AC source, and this is the capacitor, and voltage across capacitor is VC. A 50 volt of DC 50 volt of DC source is applied. Now, by using KVL, we have solved this circuit. Inductor is of 0.5 Henry. We have solved the circuit by using these calculations. Okay, we will meet in our next problem.